Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I am Shreya and today I'm back with another video. So today's video is going to be a vlog video. So right now it's dinner time and we are going for dinner. So I have my cousin right here and she has come here. So we are going right now for dinner. So I always love South Indian, so we are going to eat dosa. So I'll take you guys along there and I'll vlog as much as I can. So let's go. So हम पहुंच गए रेस्टोरेंट एंड for sure because dosa is my favorite food. I love dosa and if you have been watching my vlogs you know it. So हमने बहुत कुछ order किया था. First we ordered masala papad. This was also delicious. Then my sister ordered this Mysore masala dosa and I ordered a ginny roll dosa. Now I really like this fusion dosas loaded with cheese and all. Ek to I'm already a dosa lover and especially like with cheese and all this I like loaded dosas like anything. Always up for it. So it's my sister and we had this food and it was really nice. Like I always go to this restaurant if I have to eat South Indian food. So yeah, we are all done with the dosas and my sister also liked it. Then we came back home और रास्ते में से हमने ली थी पेस्ट्रीज ऑफ कोर्स बिकॉज डेजर्ट इज़ मस्ट. बाहर खाया था तो डेजर्ट क्यों रह जाए भाई. सो दिस इज़ चॉकलेट ट्रफल पेस्ट्री एंड दिस लुक्स रियली गुड. मैंने बहुत टाइम से पेस्ट्री नहीं खाई थी बिकॉज आई यूजुअली ईट केक्स ओनली. तो दिस वॉज लाइक रियली रिच क्रीमी एंड गुड पेस्ट्री. खाने का मन नहीं हो रहा था बिकॉज लाइक इट लुक्ड सो ब्यूटिफुल कि काटने का मन नहीं था. सो या. Hi guys, so before we move forward with today's vlog, I wanted to try out this products that I have from this brand Blush Bee. Now they have totally organic makeup products. So first the thing that I have from them is this lip nourishing liquid lipstick. So I'm not wearing any makeup right now. I just have a light lip balm on my lips. So this is a dark red or maroonish kind of shade. I usually don't like dark lipstick but this looks good. Let me try this out of how it looks on my lids. Okay, so considering the fact that I have no makeup on my face, this looks really good and I'm sure with makeup on you can definitely amp up the look. Now this looks really good and it's a really pretty shade and will go for all the skin tones, like all the Indian skin tones. Even if you have a dusky tone, this would like really suit you. Regarding the formulation, it's quite comfortable. It's not at all drying. It's 100% matte and also this is like little berry kind of taste, so it looks really good. Now you get 5 ml of product in this one and this is not tested on animals. This is plant powered, no sulfate, no paraben. So overall this is a really good option if you're looking for a liquid lipstick that stays for a really long time. Also let's test if this is transfer proof or not. So 100% non-transferable, doesn't transfer. Regarding the price and all, this retails for 915 rupees, but of course you're getting organic product with high quality. So yeah, there was another lipstick. I also have another product. So this is the Blush Bee Organic Beauty Eye Kajal. Now this is goodness of almond, avocado, carrot seed oil and vitamin E. And this one is for 450 rupees and you get 0.3 grams of product in it. So I'm going to leave the links of this products in the description box. Make sure you check it out. Hi guys, so it's day 4 or 5 of my vlog. So right now I'm shooting for Navratri series. This is the look one for today's shoot. So follow me on my Instagram if you still haven't because I'm having amazing reels for Navratri going up on my Instagram. So yeah, for now I'm gonna complete the shoot and then I'll be seeing you guys next because I have a lot of outfits to change and takes and reels and pictures to shoot. So yeah, it's all fun. I'm wearing this really comfy top from Amazon which is all boho Navratri vibes. So yeah. Hi guys, so it's the next day. So yesterday we went out for dinner and right now also we are going out to eat something. So today we will be going to eat pani puri. So we are going walking, so I'll take you guys along. Hi guys, so we are now heading towards home. Ate pani puri and I'm walking after like ages. Hello. So हम लोग बाहर से तो पानी पूरी खा के ही आए थे, बट हम लोग पार्सल भी लेके आए थे बिकॉज यू कैन नेवर हैव इनफ ऑफ गोलगप्पास इन लाइफ एंड आई एम अ रियली ह्यूज गोलगप्पा फैन. So yeah, I mean I can eat pani puri all day every day. Then I had some cold drinks. Yes, सारी कसर आज ही पूरी करनी थी. ओके यू गाइज. सो पिछला व्लॉग बहुत ही मज़े में जा रहा था. लाइक वी वेंट आउट फॉर डिनर एंड ऑल ऑफ दैट. बट कैन यू गेस कि अभी क्या हुआ है? लाइक यू लिटरली हैव नो आइडिया. माई मैकबुक हैज़ क्रैश्ड. येस, इट हैज़ स्टॉप्ड वर्किंग. सो बेसिकली मैं काम कर रही थी लैपटॉप पे एंड मेरी मीटिंग थी सिर्फ 2 मिनट में. सो आई वॉज गेटिंग रेडी फॉर द मीटिंग एंड पता नहीं क्या हुआ, ऑल ऑफ अ सडन द स्क्रीन स्टार्टेड फ्लिकरिंग और फिर सब हो गया ख़त्म. लाइक द स्क्रीन इटसेल्फ स्टार्टेड फ्लिकरिंग और पता नहीं व्हाट्स रॉन्ग विद इट. फॉर नाउ मेरे पास पैर में लैपटॉप पड़े हैं 2-3. सो आई एम गोइंग टू यूज़ द विंडोज़. I don't have a spare MacBook अभी, but what I feel is once you start using Mac, Windows पे काम करना is impossible, at least for me. क्योंकि एक बार MacBook यूज़ कर लिया then I don't like the hold of Windows anymore because I'm used to using MacBook. So it's kind of difficult right now because it has been many months since I'm using MacBook. So अभी के लिए चलाना पड़ेगा. I don't have any other option. So let's see what happens next. I'll see. Guys, so this is how my crashed MacBook looks like. ओके सो ये व्लॉग बहुत ही लाइक लेट आएगा. आई नो दैट फैक्ट. सो अभी जब मैं शूट कर रही हूँ दिस इज़ लाइक ऑलमोस्ट अक्टूबर स्टार्टिंग. आई नो ये 1 महीने बाद ही आएगा व्लॉग बिकॉज आई हैव सो मैनी पेंडिंग व्लॉग्स जो मैंने वो डाले नहीं. सो यू कैन एक्सपेक्ट कि नवंबर दिसंबर तो हो ही जाएगा जब ये व्लॉग आएगा. बट नो दैट कि मेरा मैकबुक ख़राब हो गया है. सो आई एम ट्राइंग टू फाइंड समथिंग. मे बी इफ़ इट्स पॉसिबल टू गेट इट रिपेयर्ड आई डू दैट. और अगर वो नहीं हुआ देन लेट्स सी व्हाट हैपन्स बिकॉज आई थिंक जितना भी पैसा मेरे पास आता है ना एप्पल में ही जाता है सब कुछ. सो लेट्स सी. Okay, so let's keep Apple aside for some time because जो भी होगा I'll keep you posted in my another vlog for sure. And yeah, that was all about today's video because अब मेरे में vlog continue करने की बिल्कुल ताकत नहीं है because I'm like all done with the MacBook stuff at least for this vlog. So yeah, I'll see you guys in my next video. Keep smiling, keep happy.